Protect your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera with the DEERLAMN Camera Lens Protector, designed for ultimate durability and clarity. Featuring 9H hardness tempered glass, it effectively resists scratches, smudges, and daily wear, ensuring long-lasting protection. The precise fit and ultra-thin design maintain the original image quality without affecting night shots or flash photography. With an easy installation process, bubble-free application is effortless, providing a seamless and secure fit. The black frame design blends perfectly with your device, offering both style and protection. This 3-pack bundle ensures you always have a spare when needed. Enhance your camera's longevity and performance with DEERLAMN's Premium Lens Protector.